Yes, it is permissible to install two switches, one operating at 120 volts and the other at 277 volts, within a single 4-square electrical box, provided that both are wired using 600-volt rated metal clad, or MC cable. MC cable is a robust wiring solution commonly employed in both residential and commercial settings. Its versatility extends to various applications, primarily serving as branch circuits and feeders. These cables can be installed indoors, outdoors, and even underground, offering considerable flexibility in electrical installations. The 600-volt rating of the MC cable signifies its suitability for circuits operating up to 600 volts, making it a frequent choice for higher voltage applications such as commercial lighting systems and industrial machinery. When installing two switches within a single 4-square box, particularly when they operate at different voltage levels, adhering to proper wiring practices is paramount. This ensures the switches are adequately isolated from each other and from the metal box itself, preventing any potential electrical hazards. One key method for achieving this isolation is the use of insulated wire connectors, often referred to as wire nuts, to securely connect the wires. These connectors provide an insulating barrier between the conductors, minimizing the risk of shorts or accidental contact. Furthermore, wrapping the connections with electrical tape adds an extra layer of insulation and protection, further enhancing safety. Grounding the electrical box is another critical step in ensuring electrical safety. A properly grounded box provides a path for fault current to flow back to the source, tripping the circuit breaker and preventing electrical shock. It is also essential to verify that the switches being installed are compatible with the voltage of the circuit they are intended to control. Using switches rated for the incorrect voltage can lead to malfunction, damage, or even fire hazards. To reiterate, the successful and safe installation of two switches operating at different voltages, specifically 120 volts and 277 volts, within a single 4-square box hinges on the correct application of several key principles. These principles include the use of 600-volt rated MC cable, proper wiring techniques that incorporate insulated wire connectors and electrical tape for added insulation, ensuring the electrical box is adequately grounded, and confirming that the switches are appropriately rated for the voltage of the circuits they will control. Paying close attention to these details will help to ensure a safe and reliable electrical installation. Consider also that the full capacity of the 4-square box is not exceeded, and this is in reference to the National Electrical Code section 314.16. The number and size of conductors, devices like switches and associated fittings must be calculated to ensure they fall within the allowable fill volume of the box. Article 314 of the NEC covers outlet, device, pull, and junction boxes, conduit bodies, fittings, and handheld enclosures, and intended for the installation and mechanical protection of electrical conductors. These regulations are in place to ensure that boxes are not overfilled, which could lead to damaged insulation, short circuits, and overheating, potentially causing a fire. Furthermore, make sure you are following NEC Section 110.3. Section 110.3 covers the examination, identification, installation, and use of equipment. For example, 110.3. B. Installation and use requires that equipment be installed and used in accordance with the instructions included in the listing or labeling. Another factor to consider is the temperature rating of the conductors. This is to ensure that the conductors are suitable for the application. You can see NEC Table 310.15. C1 for temperature limitations.